Alright, welcome back. This is race 4 from Bathurst. Race 3 I'd rather not remember. I just lost my flow, bit of time under safety car, made myself car sick. But yeah, race 4, ripper start. A little bit of an incident up ahead here with Nathan and the Camaro hitting the Evo, but we got underway. I was behind the 8 ball, but got a good start and got a couple of positions I'd lost in the previous race back. And the car was awesome. It was I was so much more confident out there, I was climbing through here. The WRX catches me again over the top. We had a really good race all weekend, backwards and forwards, but the car was good. The setup Dave put in was awesome. It's just all driver. Unfortunately, this race turned out to not be. Coming down Conrod, I got the call that it was yellow flags. Couldn't see any, and they weren't out at the flag points in front of me. It was really early. One of the RX-8s had gone on the wall over the top behind me, and so I hesitated through the kink, or through the chase, sorry I should say, and that's where Paul Cheney passed me. I should have kept in it, and I would have had it behind me for the yellows, because the yellows came out just after we got through the chase. But I wouldn't have been able to keep Paul behind me for long. That M140 is a rocket ship. It's an A1 class car, and but that's just racing. Unfortunately, while we were under the yellows, the GoPro decided to die again. This time it wasn't battery related. I think it was just the heat or vibration or something. I don't know. So I really need to look at a way to stop the GoPro dying for the 6 hour in April. So we're going back over the 6 hour, really looking forward to it. So if you've got any recommendations for what I can do for a camera for that, let us know. Before I stop jibber jabbering, huge thanks and shout out to Damo at DC Autos, Dave at Dsport, Chris at Culture 24/7 Fitness, the team at Penrite, and Fiscocrem for keeping my old knees going. Their support means the world for me. And thanks to everyone else that's watching my videos and keeping on. Here's Paul about to come rallying past me when I hesitate to get out of the throttle. The VE can go flat through here. It's all me just being a sook. But yeah, keep on the channel, keep up to date with videos. Got heaps coming up, especially our fundraisers for MNDI, and as we work towards the 6 hour in April. Again, thanks for everyone's support. I really do appreciate it.